Well, the Firebird's getting closer to being done. We're down to the last stuff on it, and hopefully it can go to its new home here fairly soon. We've got some cleaning to do and a few clamps to change yet, so they look a little bit better. A little bit of a list of what we got left on there, but most of it's crossed off. Just trying to get the ride height right on both sides. I don't know if I can show you this. You can see that cluster that we just did and cleared and that in there. I don't know if there's any power here. Not right now. I'll maybe show it to you after when it's lit up, how good it looks. Console's all in. We put door lock buttons there for them. And it's got power windows. Seats are all in, headliner. So yeah, it's just about ready to head out. So it's looking pretty good. It's got a nice shine to it. Looks nice outside. So yeah, we'll finish off this last stuff and yeah, maybe even this week, I'm not sure. We'll see how things go today and see if might be able to get it in for a wheel alignment yet. And then down the highway for a while so we can do some testing and come back to get all tightened up and stuff. We'll be back. We'll show you some more video of it after. Thanks.